Welcome to A+ Economics, your guide to an A+. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the fundamental concepts of statistics, measures of central tendency. These measures allow us to find the center or typical value of a dataset. Understanding measures of central tendency is essential for drawing meaningful insights from data. So, let's get started.
The mean, also known as the average, is one of the most commonly used measures of central tendency. There are two different measures of mean that we want to discuss. 1. Arithmetic mean is the sum of a collection of numbers divided by the count of numbers in the collection. Consider an example. We have data on the ages of 5 YouTubers. The ages are 5, 8, 10, 21, and 11. The average age of the YouTubers is equal to the sum of all their ages divided by the total number of YouTubers. That average is 11. 2. The weighted mean is similar to an ordinary arithmetic mean, except that instead of each of the data points contributing equally to the final average, some data points contribute more than others. Using the same data from the last example, if we assign weights of 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9 to each data point respectively, the weighted mean is found by multiplying each data point by its respective weight and then adding these together, and dividing by the sum of the weights. The weighted mean in this case is 12.70. An important point to note is that if we assign equal weights to each data point, then the weighted mean is going to be equal to the arithmetic mean. Let's examine the calculation of the mean for grouped frequency distribution. To calculate the mean of a grouped frequency distribution, first multiply each class frequency by the class midpoint. Then add all these values together, then divide by the total frequency. Let us test what we've learned thus far. Using the information on the screen, calculate the mean. Please pause the video and give yourself a few minutes to complete the exercise. When you're finished, resume the video. If you got 34.5, well done. If not, please try the exercise again, ensuring that you didn't make any mistakes. Let's turn our attention now to the mode. The mode is described as the values or set of values that occurs the most. Consider an example. In the data set displayed, we have 10 numbers. The number 25 appears the most, 4 times in total, therefore the mode of the data is 25. When calculating the mode of grouped data, we start first by identifying the modal class. The modal class is determined by the class that has the highest frequency. Once the modal class has been identified, we can apply the formula for the mode of grouped data. Let us try an example. In the table shown, we have data on the weekly allowance of 77 students. The data is organized as grouped data. We first identify the modal class. The modal class is the class with the highest frequency, which is the second class. Also, notice that the lower class boundary of the modal class is 9.5. Next, notice that D1 equals 10, D2 equals 15, and C equals 4. The mode is thus 11.1. Next up is the median. The median is defined as the middle value of an ordered data set. Consider an example. The ages of 5 university students are 14, 15, 17, 29, 31. The median age is 17. Important to note that the data has to be organized in ascending order for us to find the median. We use the following formula to calculate the median of group data. Notice that we first need to locate the median class. Now, what is the median class? The median class is the class with the smallest cumulative frequency greater than the total frequency divided by 2. That means we need to calculate the less than cumulative frequencies. Once we identify the median class, we can apply the formula. Let's focus a little more of our attention on locating the median class. Consider the following table. Recall that median class is the class with the smallest cumulative frequency greater than the total frequency divided by 2. In this table, the total frequency is 30, so to identify the median class, we would be looking for the smallest cumulative frequency, greater than 15. This would be the fourth class with a cumulative frequency of 17. Now, use the following table to calculate the median. If you got 31.7, congrats to you. If you did not get that answer, please try again.
That concludes today's video on measures of central tendency. We hope you found this exploration informative and engaging. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Feel free to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you.